What if the most productive version of you wasn't working harder, but working less? Not through laziness, through systems. The highest-earning freelancers and entrepreneurs aren't working 16-hour days. They spend time building automations once, then let those systems handle repetitive work forever. Emails send themselves. Content gets repurposed automatically. Client follow-ups happen on schedule without anyone pressing a button. In this video, I'll show you how to build your first AI automation workflow from scratch using free tools. No coding, no technical background, just systems that save hours every week. Let's begin. An AI automation workflow is simply a chain of actions triggered automatically, with AI handling at least one step. For example, a client fills out your contact form. AI writes a personalized welcome email. A project is created in Notion. A follow-up reminder is scheduled. Everything happens automatically because you built the system once. That's exactly what we're building today. You'll need three things: an AI model like ChatGPT or Claude, an automation platform like Make or Zapier. I'll use Make because its free plan is more generous and the visual builder is easier to follow. And the apps you already use, such as Gmail, Notion, Google Sheets, Slack, or Trello. Let's build the first workflow. This one automates client onboarding. A client submits your intake form. Make watches your Google Sheet for a new response. It sends the client's details to ChatGPT. ChatGPT writes a personalized welcome email. Make sends the email through Gmail. Then it creates a project in Notion or Trello. The entire process takes less than 30 seconds and requires zero manual work. To build it, create a free Make account. Create a new scenario. Add Google Sheets as the trigger. Add the OpenAI module. Prompt it to write a welcome email using the client's name, project type, and deadline. Connect Gmail to send the email. Then create a Notion page or Trello card using the same client details. Turn the scenario on. Your onboarding process is now automated. The second workflow saves content creators hours every week. Drop a blog post or YouTube script into a Google Sheet. Make sends it to ChatGPT or Claude. The AI generates a LinkedIn post, an X post, an Instagram caption, a Facebook post, and an email newsletter. Make sends each output exactly where it belongs. One piece of content becomes 5 in under a minute. The setup is almost identical. The only difference is the prompt. Ask the AI to rewrite your content into multiple formats, then let Make distribute each output automatically. The third workflow automates lead follow-up. A lead fills out your contact form. They immediately receive a personalized message. 3 days later, they receive a follow-up. 7 days later, if they still haven't replied, they receive one final message and are marked as cold. You spend your time talking to interested prospects instead of chasing silent ones. The secret is Make's sleep module, which pauses the workflow before triggering the next step. Before you automate anything, remember 3 rules. Automate repetitive work, not creative work. Review anything that's client-facing before it gets sent. And master one workflow before building another. One reliable automation is worth more than 5 broken ones. If you want every prompt I used in this video, plus more than 100 prompts for content creation, outreach, productivity, and business strategy, you'll find them in my AI prompt pack linked below. Subscribe for weekly AI workflows and automation tutorials. And let me know in the comments which workflow you're building first: client onboarding, content repurposing, or lead follow-up. See you in the next episode.